So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our WAEC biology exam revision series, we have here these two questions to answer on the topic concept of living. So guys, this video will be about the cell theory. So in short to state at the end of this video, so we just have these two questions to answer. Let's start with the first question already, which says growth includes the following processes except A. Enlargement, B. Mitosis, C. Meiosis, D. Differentiation. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here, and that's meiosis. So in growth, meiosis does not involve growth. So in growth process, we actually have cell enlargement, cell division, which is mitosis, and then cell differentiation. So guys, meiosis is not part of this process, and as such, that's the answer to this question. So let's go ahead and consider the next question. And that's question number 2 here. It says, the line XZ in the diagram below represents an actual distance of 10 cm and the length of the diagram is 5 cm. What is the magnification of the diagram? We have A 0.2, B 2.0, C 0.5, and D 5.0. So guys, the answer to this question here is option C, and that's 0.5. That's because the magnification here is going to be image length divided by object length. So in this case, the image length is 5 cm and the object's length or the distance is 10 cm. So 5 cm over 10 cm, that's 0.5. And that's the answer to this question, guys. So this is where we'll end this video for today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop the question on the comment section below and we'll ensure to give you a response. So guys, don't forget to join our YouTube channel community if you're not yet a member there. So this is your post major updates on your WAEC examination. You can join this community by hitting the join button below and we'll see you right there. So thank you once again for watching this video and see you on the next one.